Speaking during the press conference, the president of the union, Microlinas Imle, informed that the workers of 108 under the management of the GVK group has been facing a lot of difficulties that have not been addressed so far, even though expressions of the same had been made since 2018. The union has therefore announced that management of the 108 workers by the GVK group is no longer welcomed.
Ngim kwa shu ya kaneka management kabang ya tray mentang ti nakaliang jungi gi kwa bet namar ba ki bon gi kendrom kendram ki bahang ne hang tai mo bang lap bat kaneka management ngim kwa shu kaneka management gi kwa bet ka jing dawa jungi ha kaneka por gi wan ban dawa bet nak sarkar ba ka sarkar hi kan pen ya kaneka ka service ka jongi long khamtam gam ta usnong shom kan long kaneka interest kaneka public interest mo makanya kay ka namta kayak ka im jong unong shong jong kajalahi barok kaway.
Imle further expressed the union's disappointment on the recent remark by Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Hek, who denied status to the 108 staff as health workers of the state.
Yung ni COVID-1 kanika jing pangklam mo, COVID, di ngitong ba long ni perkhat pa lada 108 baro ay kanil COVID case kit ka 108 ki frontliner ki debi ki 108 shano ken ki sarkar kay iya kataba even kini ki staff jungi baro ki sacrifice yala di kim yo balay ya kendu ya ki family na mablay ki long direct contact bat ki patient tang baka sarkar kami i kata ndai kala iba health minister jungi ang ba kim yo ka complain kim yo itama kim dan ba perkhat yo bangim dei kinong ladang ide shishan ngim dei kita kinong tray jong ka sarkar tam ngilong hapo jong ka sarkar namara da ka sarkar ka klan siu direct magna ni indirectly ka siu ni ka ailing ba jungno tamba han shis pa person ka di ka sarkar ka ba siu halo jong ni baro ka jing pelut baro di yang bang ngim yo complain na kipat ba ka ni ka tay tamba bunu pad ba obo phone ni ka 108 bun kim yo naman belay hakatu ka por ambulance jungi hi kala busy no haki ni ki COVID case ki bon pat ba kim no chu tang ban phone 108 nama balakit yo ki positive patient ai kani ka kajing kadang kani ka memorandum jungi ngila ai ningkong sha chief minister jungi ngila ai kani chief minister jungi tingi kan yo kanu ka respond te ka pelong ngi ba ni hap yang sada kawai kalata namar ba hakatu bangila de pha iong bangin ra kabinet tamang iklam ikano ka basay so na pagtajungi ti hakani kapor ti kapalong ingi bangi sim yang da kawai ka sinjam ni le kumno ngi tho yang sada kawai ka shithi ni aisha ki henru phongot ki MLA ti kani ka example kadi ka receive copy jong ka bangi pha shakini ki henru phongot ki MLA.
She also informed that a memorandum with regards to the request for taking over of 108 by the government had been earlier submitted to the Meghalaya Chief Minister, to the Health Minister, as well as to all 60 MLAs of the state. This was also to make known to them the challenges, difficulties and problems faced by the workers under the management of the GVK group of companies.